and lean implementation in British Airways and a group information and is a model code is 7044 SSL, module name is Global Operations and group number 29 and selected company by British Airways in listed by the all group members is 4 members in listed in mentioned below and the introduction overview the lean production of in British Airways and it is a importance of lean production brief introduction to the British Airways and it is a global operations and it is an introduction to the overview. Brief Airways is a global operation. The influence globalization of the adoption to the lean production in British Airways and it is also global service-based company. Will be discussed the history of the lean manufacturing and the lean production along with the challenges and also mitigation strategies with the confuse. And also in lean manufacturing is SMG and S6 and also lean manufacturing to the British Airways. And also next slide is understanding is lean production to the lean understanding the lean management is getting rid of the water to development faster operation and is 2016 and core principles compromise and a value volume stream and flow and perfection and a lean required to ample time often consists to the inventory problem and higher lean required implementation the adoption lean the individual to the adoption for the individual factors and also adoption to the lean principles to the departmental factors and also organizational factors and is the adoption of lean principles is the quality of services to produce the cost containment and also time management and is a lean production aim the enhancing customer value with the eliminating the waste of the time and also core principles the compromise the value and is also inventory problems and higher implementation cost in higher in 2022 and is a lean production aim the enhance customer value the eliminating waste of and heightening the efficiency. Moreover, value added the additionally to provide by the lean principles, which were internally which are manufacturing and adapted in logistics, and it's also healthcare and banking. And first thing, and is the value stream is the one process. However, the lean management there is a possibility of higher upfront cost in adaptive time implementation, and is a understanding the lean production to the lean the 5 years and a JIT, and it is a value in the water forecasting and core principle compromise to the value and adoption principles is the main core of the supply chain management. And also next slide is evolution of lean in services industry to determine the value of any process by providing the value add activities. And it is developed in the 1940s in Toyota. And it is also focused on eliminating waste in Muda. And Muda is a variability and Mura and also Muri. And it's just the three elements in a Muda 1 and Muda 2 is a Mura and Muri is a third element in the evaluation lean service in the industry. In cycle from the industry service based on the identify the first value and next in goes to map the value stream and is lower down on the create a flow and also down to the establishment pool and in the next slides is service to the seek perfection to the entire the cycle of evaluation in the lean services to the development of production to the in supply chain management and also and value added activities they provide by the lean determine the value of any process. Lean the development in the 1940 is in Toyota in the form of Toyota production. It is also known as TPS. It is a which manufacturing is a para amount and besides is the less amount that the focus on eliminating wasting is a Muda. And Muda three varieties is three in services the best services in lean industry services for the three in Muda and Mura and Mura. Mura, Muri and Muda. Three elements in the Richard is 2021 to the form the development of the lean services industry. It is a globalization spread and also service sector so it is efficiently and implemented through the follow. And IBERA and also air license in the industries aircraft also is services to the in the British Airways is the best services to customers and also and British Airway company views to the development and also in the production is the part of international and is a part of international airlines is a group is conducted to the AAG in Brit correlation for the domestic services and international. International services the best correlation for the one country to other country in dispatches the services to the customers through the any product or service or any delivery any channels through the supply chain as meant. And also 570 aircraft is operating in the 270 destinations and over 66,000 and colleges in British Airways in 2024. And British Airways has a one world in membership is a British Airways is and borrowing it for the one country to other country and any challenges and generated in $14.3 billion in the 2023 since status of the as per the 2023 is a source of the company Airpro is a global part of the international to the development and integral part of the unique collections or airlines is a airlines is on non-airline businesses and operate under the parent company. It is a airlines is an international company or parent or non-parent to the IAG is a moreover to the development 570 aircraft operating in over for 250 destinations across the globalization and which more 66,000 on colleges and 14.3 and is also impact to the global business and to the development services and is a impact to the throughout the services and as per the company overview British Airways is a good service and is also globalization is a world membership is also there in the British Airways. To the next slide is the impact in the globalization British Airways is the explained for the in Madhubabu.
Hi, my name is Madhu Babu. I am here about to speak about impact of globalization on British Airways. Yeah, there are three major impacts on this, and the first one is fuel in cost, competitive and customer competition, and also the mechanical interior and safety. And the third one is uh, cutting edge engineering system uh, for to the lower delays on the British Airlines, according to the 2024. And also, I would like to tell about globalization propelled British Airways to improve its operations regarding raising fuel costs and facing competition from other airlines, such as Emirates. The leading systems of British Airways compromise mechanical and repair services along with interior and safety studies, leading to the minimization of waste. Besides that, cutting cost cutting has been heavily by British Airways for its first class passengers. That's why and next slide, I would like to talk about lean adoption in British Airways. Yeah, it's mainly coming over the lean adoption. They have invented many steps for the cutting of wastage. So first they invented airport doorstep app and airport and online check-in, like and catering just in time, and also they are implemented baggage handling by ground operations and cargo team, um, so that it can reduce the most wastage. And also they invented e-log system, which replaced the paper system, adhering to the lean production principles. Mostly, they are they log for the e-log systems of and delivers a live performance updates replacing paper system. And it's always like in a recycle. They will come to the ad and the plan do study and they will go on this one in the rest. And that's next I want to discuss about environmental impact of lean adoption. Yeah, digital checking and boarding processes have been adhered to by British Airways to reduce petrol waste. Moreover, fuel efficiency is maintained by British Airways within the introduction of more fuel efficient aircraft, such as the Boeing 787-9, which is 20% more fuel efficient than any other commercial jet. Additionally, the Boeing 787 is technologically advanced, boosting customer experience, and it can fly for nearly 10,000 miles since returning, forcing environmental sustainability and the planet aspects of the TLO, which means impact of lean adoption. And I would like to talk about the next slide. Best strategy for implementation in British Airways. Yeah, in this we can talk about there are invented four skills like scaling lean activities across the organization. Lean Six Sigma process can improve efficiency according to the 2022. Yeah. And also the most adopted automation and AI adoption. British Airways was fined 20 million pounds for a database according to this BBC 2020. Yeah. And also, um, especially we have to say about their invented scaling lean activity across the organization is highly significant for BA, where employee engagement and continuously feedback are required. Moreover, the lean six sigma process can improve efficiency in logistics and maintenance. Automation and AI can reduce paper usage along with the reduction of human errors. However, digital implementation is vulnerable to attack. Cyber attacks and behavior was found likely in the database. And the next slide will be discussed by my friend who said,
Yeah, this is Hussein Sayed. I am speaking about this slide, lean and supply chain management in British Airways. Some of the logistics are used through the British Airways cargo, AWB tracking. The logistics are data-driven logistics. And British Airways are collaborating with Qatar Airlines, Japan, and China Airlines. Some of the British airlines lean methods handle supply chain disruptions, and some of they are applied to maintenance and logistics. And the next slide, I am going to discuss about the challenges of the lean implementation of British Airways. Um, in British Airways, there are inaccurate data and some of the long process cycle. British Airways have high investment to adopt new technologies and the training of employees. Some of the British airlines suffered from some IT failures or technical issues, etc. In the British Airways, employees after eliminating 12,000 of its employees. And next slide, I am going to discuss about the mitigation strategies for lean implementation issues. In British Airways, some of the British areas are balanced focus on speed and customer satisfaction, and British Airways have a strong leadership commitment, and British airways are providing training to employees, leading to change management. And British Airways incorporation of sustainable aviation fuels or SAF. The full form of SAF is Sustainable Aviation Fuels. And the next presentation will be given by my friend Narendra Reddy Dudugura.
Hi, I'm Narendra, and I want to speak about role of technology in lean management at BA. BDA in the supply chain to improve customer service levels and efficiency, according to Sweeney, 2002. Digital tools such as online check-ins, self-service kiosks, and mobile apps, automation and AI help in flight schedules, crew management, and customer service. And the critical issues such as operational delays can be mitigated with digital tools. And in the next slide, I want to speak about lean and the push pull management at BA British Airways. The pull system fosters customer driven requests such as seat preferences, flight updates, and flight operations. 67% of respondents stated positive opinions on BA according to Statista 2025, and you can see the uh, rankings. I mean, barcodes according to that. And in the next slide, I want to speak about the possible issues at BA. Employee resistance due to alternations in work routines and job displacement. Cultural difference in work practices. Fragile JIT can lead to operational delays and customer services. Cultural difference in workplace. And I want to speak about the Delta employee pushback was experienced by Delta Airlines according to 18 and 2023. For example, Delta Airlines faced employee pushback due to changes in the Sky Miles program. Besides, standardized lane progresses as a part of globalization could lead to cultural differences in work practices, along with the issues with employee readings. Lanes just in time or JIT model can be fragile, giving rise to operational delays and customer service issues. And I want to uh, be a cyber attack. You can see that. And I want to conclude about the British Airways. BA adhered to lean management. The future growth is dependent on digital tools for baggage control and check-ins. And challenges in the form of IT issues and employee resistance. Mm, uh, Globalization should be to adapt lean management and to improve customer experience. And we can see the references attached to the PPA. And I would like to talk about the references in 2004. 2004 and 2005. You can see the references attached to the PPT. And thank you guys for participating and contributing to this video. Well done. We did a good job. Yeah. Thank you.